we have a little sister, they say, and she has no breasts. That's that colloquial way of saying she's still a little girl. Reflecting back again, what kind of upbringing did she have? What decisions were made that really did set a life course trajectory for her that led to her being this amazing wife? What shall we do for our sister, they ask, on the day when she is spoken for? Someday our little sister is going to grow up. She's going to get married. She's going to be a wife. What should we do in anticipation and preparation for that day? Verse 9 leaves two options. If she is a wall, we will build on her a battlement of silver. But if she is a door, we will enclose her with a board of cedars. Here's what the brothers say. There's two kinds of young women. There are walls, impenetrable. Boys cannot get to them. Right? Boys come up. Would you like to date? No. Can I have your phone number? No. Can I text message you? No. Can I email you? No. Do you want to make out? No. Want to go out to coffee? No, no, no. Awesome. Love that. Would encourage all of you single women, be a wall. Right? Be a brick wall. Right? Just say no. Right? This is the kind of woman who knows that the Greek word for demon is also translated teenage boy. She's fully aware of all of their scrupulous motivation, and she is not going to be in any way taken into sin. The boys say there's another kind of young woman. She's a door. Every guy who knocks, hey, can I come in? Yes, hey, come on in. Right? It's just, boy. Every guy who flirts, happy to respond. Every guy who asks out on a date gets a yes. Guys who text message, email, phone calls, she initiates, she engages, she responds. Let me say this. You need to know your children, and you need to know your siblings, and you need to know, particularly with your daughters, wall or door. If your daughter is a door, last thing you do, give her a cell phone and a laptop that she has in her bedroom all for herself. That's just encouraging boys to keep knocking on the digital door and have access to the young lady. What they say is, if she's a wall, we're going to help defend her. She could tell boys no, and she could have a godly rudeness, and they will not have access to her. If she's a door, we will get 2x4s, we will get plywood. It'll be like a hurricane coming to town. We're going to board that doorway up. We're going to stand guard for our sister, and all the boys who want to take her out will have to get through us and our gun and our dog and all of these preparations that we have made to ensure that our sister is not taken advantage of. It's a good word for brothers. Brothers have a responsibility in the sight of God to help love their little sister and look after her. I tell the Driscoll boys this all the time.